Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today we're working on the 1996 Turbo Miata. Diagnosed a bad tie rod end. We're going to be diagnosing slop in the steering system. We already replaced the tie rod. There was play east to west. Now I'm feeling north to south, and there's still a little bit of play left, so we are going to do the lower ball joint. All the suspension components on this car are original. It's roughly 100,000 miles, and it's had its fair share of Minnesota potholes, so you know, those are just kind of a wear item, and we're going to replace that. So we'll get our wheel off, and then we will draw our attention towards this castle nut right here, which has a cotter pin in the middle that we will pry out of the way. Cotter pin is removed. Seems like a 21 is accurate. We'll blast that to smithereens with the impact if we can fit it in there. We can't fit it in there, so then ugga-dugga off. So now we will try to remove that's in the lower control arm. I'm gonna have to hold the other one the other side. This is a 17 millimeter. Alright. Another bolt in the control arm somewhere. So we may have to remove the old lower strut bolt. Alright, so I'm going to take the caliper off. Myself a little bit. Before I do that, we got button G. Now, this will destroy the boot, but since we're replacing it, don't really care. Of course, I was just messing around. I wedged it in this way, gave it a bunch of hard wax. Now it is free. When the camera isn't on. Smash the like button for hard wax. I'm just saying. Grab our new ball joint. Cast them down. That comes with fresh washers and bolts for everything. You're gonna need a washer on there for that cotter pin height to be right. Oh, and of course the washer doesn't really fit, does it? We're back on, torque all this Start this, twerk this, work this. You got it. Share, like, subscribe.